Good day, everyone. Once again, I welcome you to another episode of Organic Chemistry, and in this particular video, we're dealing with alkene. Please take note. There are four major types of unsaturated hydrocarbon. Four. The first one is alkene. The second one is alkene. The third one is alkyne, which is the one we are going to treat today. Then the next one is what? Is benzene. So please take note. This is actually another examination question. These are the three major classes of what? Of hydrocarbon. So why are they called hydrocarbon? Because they consist of two elements, hydro and what? Carbon. So please, this is why they are called hydrocarbon, because all alkene, not alkene derivative, not alkyne derivative. I'm saying all alkyne, and benzene, not their derivative, please. They are all referred to as what? Hydrocarbon. Alkane is saturated. Alkyne, and benzene, they are what? Unsaturated what? Hydrocarbon. So let's start. Remember, like what I said in our last video, previous video rather, one is earth, two is met, two is earth, three is prop, four is boot. We are not saying it again. No. Five is what? Oh yeah, put it. Six is what? Hairs. Seven is hept. Eight is what? Oct. Nine is what? None. 10 is what? I said put the five. Five is parent. You have forgotten again and it's wrong. Please, don't forget. One is met and 10 is what? Is deck. So the general formula for alkyne is CnH2n minus what? Minus 2. So you can easily say it is an alkene minus 2 hydrogen. So when alkene loses 2 hydrogen, it forms alkene. And when alkene loses 2 hydrogen, it forms what? Alkyne. So that's to say, when alkane loses 4 hydrogen, an alkyne will be what? An alkyne will be what? Will be formed. So please take note of that. But the general formula for alkyne is this. This is the general formula for alkyne. So therefore, alkyne, they has triple bond between 2 carbon atoms. So the 2 carbon atoms, they start with carbon 2, and there is always a triple bond in the structure. For example, if you have CnH2n minus 2, you cannot start with 1 because I said it has 2 carbon atoms, triple bond between 2 carbon atoms. So it will be C2H2 times 3 minus what? 2 times 2 minus 2, which is C2H4 minus 2. That will give us C2H what? H2. Then you just for it to write carbon atom, triple bond, carbon atom. Here is hydrogen. Here is what? Hydrogen. The structure is balanced. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So please take note of that. Then if you try another one again, C3H2 times 3 minus 2. That gives us C3H6 minus 2. That gives us C3H what? H will give us 4. 1, 2, 3. You can put the triple bond here. Here will be 1 hydrogen to be balanced. This one is already balanced. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one remaining 3 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3. And this is what we call propine. And this is what we call ethyne. That's the name. So if you want to try for 4, C4H2 times 4 minus what? 2, which is C4H8 minus 2. C4H what? H6. So you have to draw the 4 carbon atom. So if you put a triple bond here, it's already in position 2. But if you put a triple bond here, it's in position what? 1. So 1 hydrogen can come here. 2 hydrogen can come here. 3 hydrogen can come here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here will be what? 6. So it is called 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atom is boot. Position 1. Boot 1 what? Yne. If I put this triple bond in position 2, it will be what? Boot 2 yne. If you have not watched my video on how to assign on alkene, please go and watch the video so that you know why this place is 1 and why this place is what? 2. So please, I've dropped a video on that already. Go and watch the video. It's going to be of help to you. Then let's assume we have pent. C5H2 times 5 minus what? 2. That will give us C5H10 minus what? 2. That will give us C5H8 minus what? H8. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here my triple bond can be here. So one hydrogen. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here will be what? 8. And 5 carbon atom is talking about what? Pent. So you can call it pent 1 what? Ine. Let me draw a structure for pent 2 ine. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The triple bond will be here. This carbon atom is stable. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is stable. So this one needs 2. This one needs what? 3. This one needs 3. Let's confirm. Hydrogen 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and what? 8. So this structure will be called pent 2 what? Ine. Like what I said, most cases, Delsu will never give you a question like this. They can't draw this structure. So the best thing they will give to you is they will give you, let's say, CH3 bonded to C, bonded to C, bonded to CH2, bonded to what? A CH3. So if you see something like this, it's just for you to interpret it into something big like this. So let me give you something that is related. Let's say we have CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Now, if I want to interpret this now, that will be a carbon atom bonded to 3 hydrogen, bonded to another carbon atom bonded to 2 hydrogen, bonded to a carbon atom that is bonded to a carbon atom that is bonded to a carbon atom bonded to 2 hydrogen, bonded to a carbon atom bonded to what? 3 hydrogen. Carbon atom, 3 hydrogen, 1 carbon atom, 2 hydrogen, carbon atom, carbon atom, carbon atom, carbon atom, carbon atom 2 hydrogen, carbon atom 2 hydrogen, carbon atom 3 hydrogen, carbon atom 3 hydrogen. Now, if you look at this structure, it's not stable. This one is 4, this one is 2, this one is 2. So you need to put triple bond here. So if it is carbon and hydrogen, you put a double bond. But as long as it is carbon atom only, you have to put a triple bond here. And the name of this structure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hairs. What is the position of the triple bond? 1, 2, 3 is position 3 here. 1, 2, 3 is position 3 here. So we can work with what? Hairs 3 what? Ine. Assuming one side is showing 3 and one side is showing 2, I'm going to pick the what? The 2. So please, I want to give you a question as usual. Everybody try this out on me. CH3, CH3. I know that most of you will fail this question. CH3. So please, if you know the answer, drop that in the comment section. I hope to see your answer in the comment section. And if you have any question regarding everything I'll be explaining in unsaturated hydrocarbon or saturated alkane, unsaturated alkyne, and unsaturated benzene, please feel free to drop that in the comment section. Though we have not treated this, but I've done alkane, and alkyne. Hope to see you in the next episode. But for now, goodbye.